Hello there, my name is Lam. Have you ever thought about creating your own FU moment? You're probably wondering now what's giving a middle finger got to do with anything. Well, this message is intended for anyone who wishes to create the best online business in order to generate multiple income streams on Autopilot and earn uncapped sources of income. If this isn't you, kindly skip and move along. Here you are, you're working hard, really hard, doing the best that you can in a job you don't particularly love or enjoy, just to make a living. You work harder, slaving away, but it's just not happening for you. If your hard work is all that it takes, you'll probably be the king of the universe right now, but you are not. Still, you keep at it, hoping for a better day, but you might as well get a seat and watch the paint dry till the end of forever. Meanwhile, everyone around you thinks that you're a waste of space. Even your spouse is beginning to compare you with your mates who are more successful and earning a lot more money than you do. And your so-called friends, they are beginning to avoid you like a backlash. Why? Because they think you don't measure up and that you stick out like a sore thumb anytime you go hanging with them. The pressure is beginning to get to you. Deep down, you feel like crap because everywhere you turn, you are being disrespected. You know it, even though it is subtle, but you are being disrespected, alright. So what's the solution? You withdraw yourself from all social scenes and engagement and disappear like Harry Houdini right into the small screen. And now you are neglecting all your responsibilities to your loved ones and people around you. So where do you go from here? Now let's imagine another scenario. You wake up in the morning, and as you wake up, everyone around you wakes up, including your ex-bosses, your ex-colleagues, your neighbors, and all are rushing from their heavily mortgaged mansions right into their expensive higher purchase vehicles, without even a glance or a kiss towards their loved ones. Why? All in a bid to rush to their 9-to-5 jobs in order to go and start creating wealth for someone else. And in the next hour or so, they are stuck in the traffic jam, cursing, honking, getting irate, and starting their day in a very bad mood and getting frustrated. But you, what do? Instead of dashing out of the door to join the rat race like you normally do, you get up, prepare a sumptuous meal, and have a nice breakfast with your family. After which you beat everybody for work and send them on their merry ways. Then you pick up your laptop, put it in your bag, and stroll to the local coffee shop in your neighborhood, which is looking very nice and quiet at this time of the day. So you open your laptop, order a cup of coffee, and sit down. And in the next couple of hours or more, you work on your businesses, generating multiple income streams for your Autopilot, and you are done for the day. Because you don't have to trade every waking hours of your time for money anymore. So, what do? The day is still young, right? You decide to go to the gym or to the yoga club or simply do anything that catches your fancy, like going swimming or going shopping. After all that is done, you head back home to welcome your loved one back from their daily activities. And then all of you get in your car and you drive to a very posh restaurant to go and enjoy a very delicious meal. But you still have time to do a lot in the day. And maybe because you're a lover of nature, you decide everyone put on your hiking shoes and then you go into the woods to go and have quiet time with nature in order to contemplate and have meditation. Or you simply just take your kids and your partner to the park and enjoy the cool breeze of the early evening while others are still stuck in the traffic jam heading back home from their grueling, unsatisfying 9-to-5 jobs. That, my friend, is the ultimate FU moment. To give the middle finger to anyone and every system that has ever kept you slaving away in the rat race. This might seem like an impossible dream, but believe me, it is not. This is exactly what I've done when I made the decision to quit the 9-to-5 job and took myself out of the rat race in order to start my online businesses to generate multiple income streams for me on autopilot. And it's a decision I have not regretted, not even for once. So click the button to sign up for free, and I'll send to your email the process that will help you to begin your entrepreneurial journey. The same process that was shared with me by the world-class community of digital entrepreneurs who helped me to start my business from scratch without any prior experience, without any technical powers, and without any business idea of what to do. This process will show you how thousands of people around the world are making a lot of money from high-ticket affiliate marketing, from dropshipping, from print on demand, and so many more, regardless of age, regardless of technical prowess, and regardless of not having their own product or business idea, by overcoming all the same objections that you are probably having right now. So, what is it going to be? In the words of a very wise man, if you don't jump with your shoes, you'll be perfectly safe, but you will never save. But if you do jump, even though there is no guarantee, you can soar and reach new horizons. There is no better time than now to start and build a business that you love, in order to begin to live the life that you have always wanted. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.